Now I want you to imagine, what if you can earn up to $400 per day by simply typing names online? I mean, how cool is that? Okay, here is exactly how it works. Now when you type one word or one name, for example, David, and boom, you make money. And when you type another name, say for example, Jennifer, boom, you get paid once again. This is such an incredible opportunity. And here is exactly how much money you can make when you type one page of names. You can earn $15. 5 pages and you can earn $75. And when you type 20 pages a day, you can earn $300. And the best thing is, there is no limit to this. You can type as much as you want and you can earn as much money as you want. You can either do this on your mobile phone or do this on your computer. This opportunity is 100% free and available worldwide. So make sure that you watch until the end so that you don't miss out on the sign-up process, because it's actually very tricky and most people do it wrong. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can see here that whenever we use the calculator of this website, we can estimate how much money you can actually earn from this brand new opportunity. Look closely at this rate per word, which means how much money you can get paid per word that you type. In this case, 5 cents in US dollars. Now usually one page will have around 300 words. For example, this typing name project right here, this is actually page number 1. And right here, this is page number 2. And also page number 3. And each of these pages, you can get paid by simply typing names. Now let me show you this page where you can actually get paid $15 and the total word count is 300 words. When I scroll down, you can see here the total of 300 names, meaning in 300 words, you can earn $15 per page by simply typing names on this website. This is actually a very good earning opportunity. Take a look at this $15 per page, and we can even receive up to 20 pages a day, which means you can easily earn up to $300 or even $400 per day by simply typing names on this website. First of all, I want you to come over to this website, which is talentdesire.com. Earn money online from home without investing a dime. And this opportunity is absolutely free. You don't need any investment or any money to get started. When you scroll down below, you can actually see they offer different opportunities to work from home, including online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging, language translation, and online page surveys. There are many different jobs that you can do. But right on this video, we're gonna focus on online typing jobs because this is one of the simplest things that you can do on this website, and it requires no experience or tech skills at all. You can see here the online typing job. Now take a look at this. You can earn $13,500 all the way up to $27,000 per year. It's actually a very good earning opportunity for people from any country in the world. Now for the joining fees, you can see here that the registration is absolutely free. There are no hidden cards before or after joining, and we don't ask about investment to you on any stage. This is an absolutely free and worldwide opportunity. Now right over here, you can see depending on what level you are, you'll get paid different amounts of rate, ranging from beginners all the way up to the experts. Now in just a moment, I'll be giving you a special bonus tip that can help you to earn a higher rate. You can see here that even if you are a complete beginner, you can actually get paid on an expert level. And I'll show you the strategy in just a moment. And no other person would know about this. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So right now, I'll show you the first bonus tip that can help you to earn a higher rate by simply typing names online. I want you to go to ratatype.com. Basically, This is the homepage of this website where you can take a free typing test, and I want you to click on this yellow button right here, and then you're gonna come over to this page where you can actually start typing using a phone or using a computer. And the reason why I want you to do this speed typing test is because this website will offer you a certificate. Now you're gonna get this certificate absolutely free, and I'll show you all the steps in this video on how to get it. The reason why you need a typing certificate is because it will boost your income and your earning rates per page. If you want to make $15 for every single page that you type, make sure that you get this certificate. And this is the ultimate secret, because even if you are completely new, but you have the certificate to prove to them that you can type, you'll be accepted much quicker, and you can get more high-paying ties and unlimited job opportunities. And with that being said, that's going to allow you to get paid $300 or even $400 per day by simply typing names. So once again, it's very important for you to keep watching to see exactly how to get this certificate and how to complete your application on talentdesire.com. Now, as you can see, when you start typing on this website, they'll start calculating how many words you can type per minute and also your accuracy, whether or not you type any spelling mistake or any typing mistake. You can see here your accuracy should be between 98% up to 99.99%. The higher your accuracy, the more money you're gonna make by doing a typing test and taking a certificate on this website. You can show them that your typing speed and also your accuracy, and that's gonna give you a higher payout rate real quick. Let me show you a real-life example of doing these tests right now and how to get your certificate for absolutely free in less than 5 minutes. As you can see here, once I finish typing, they're gonna show me my typing speed right here. This is my actual result, so if your speed is slower or if your accuracy is lower than 98%, don't worry about that, because you can actually go back to the website ratatype.com and you can actually take the typing test again for 100% free until you get a higher speed or a higher accuracy. Now, once you get the result that you are satisfied with, you can actually scroll down below and you can sign up for a free account on Ratatype by clicking on this link right here. You can create a free account by putting your name, your email address, and your password. So go ahead and click on this I agree to the terms and conditions and click on this yellow sign up button. You can see here I put in my name, my email address, and my password, and then I click on this one right here. Once I sign up for a free account, I will log into my Ratatype account. Now you can see my name right here on my dashboard, and these are my results, my typing speed, and also my accuracy. Now when you scroll down below, you can see that this is my certificate. Just click on the certificate and I'll come over to this page. It reads, awarded to Jenny Adams for typing in English, and they will even show you the signature from ratatype.com to verify that this certificate is real. This certificate right here is actually very good for you, and you can get paid a much higher rate. I want you to keep watching because I'll show you how to sign up and how to register and apply for a typing job on talentdesire.com, and you can start receiving a typing job and project just like this one right here. Now when you scroll down below, you can actually click on this print button right here. But don't worry, you can do this on your computer, or you can do this on your mobile phone as well. You just have to save the image of your certificate or save it as a PDF file. Just click on the Save button. And as you can see here, this is my actual certificate that I got from the Ratatype website for absolutely free. Once you get this certificate, you can begin to apply for this job. So we're gonna come over to talentdesire.com, and I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of this website, and I want you to click on this red button right here which says Apply Now. And then you'll come over to this page where you can start applying for your job. But please pay very close attention and watch this video until the end, because the registration page here is actually very hidden on this website. You might get lost or fail to find the registration page if you don't watch this part. Now once you land on this page, just scroll down below and you can see here, select an application. Click on this red link right here And after that, you're gonna come over to this page where you can see an online application form for work-at-home jobs. I want you to scroll down below and look for this red link right here which says, fill in your details to apply and work with us. If you cannot find the registration page, make sure you rewatch the video, or you can bookmark or save this video to your playlist and rewatch this video later on. When you scroll down below this page, you can see that you're going to fill in your personal information. The first thing that you have to do is to click on Accept the Privacy Policy and then put in your first name, your last name, your email address, your contact numbers, and also your country. Then click on this down arrow and you can see that they're accepting people from all over the world, including countries like India, Philippines, Nigeria, United States, United Kingdom, Pakistan, and other different countries. Now I want you to comment down below and let me know what your country is and where you are coming from, so I can create more videos for your region in my future videos. Moving on to the next step. This is basically all about your professional information, and it is a very important section. Most people do it wrongly on this step. Now I want you to type in the job title section, and it is very important to type the job title just like this one, and then choose what time is best for you. Next, click on this down arrow right here, and you can actually select whatever time that you want, but I want you to choose on all day. And that's going to give you more opportunities and more jobs, meaning that you can earn more money online. Then choose the best way to receive your earnings. Click on this down arrow here and you can choose from PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit. So for me, I personally use PayPal. Now when you scroll down below, you can choose your current professional status. So in this case, I just choose on self-employed, and once you fill out all the details, you then proceed and click Yes, I have read and accept the above statement. And also, don't forget your signature. Just put in your full name right here and click on I'm not a robot. And after that, just click on the submit button, as simple as that. Once you're accepted, you can begin receiving the typing name jobs just like this. As you can see here in one page, you can earn $15 for just 300 words, and this is just one page. And then for the second page, you can see another $15. And for the third page, another $15. You can earn $15 over and over again for every single page that you type. But make sure you submit your job on time to keep receiving more and more daily jobs. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next videos.